The most effective platforms to market your freelance business on. Marketing a freelance business can seem like a challenge. It can be hard to know exactly where you should place your business in order for it to reach your audience and grow your clientele. This presentation will guide you through some of the advantages of specific platforms and help you to market your business to your target clients. Firstly, you need to research and understand your industry. Research your competition and discover their marketing tactics. Different things work for different industries, and there is no better place to look than at people who are already succeeding at it. One of the first areas you should invest in, a quality blog or website. Your website will be clear and concise and also need to have your portfolio on it, as well as your contact information. Some freelancers opt to have their rates and packages available for your audience to see. Having a blog is a great way to show that you are up to date with your industry, as well as showing your target clients that you are active and involved. Popular freelance work finding websites is a great place to start. While some are quite broad and competition can be fierce, such websites are fantastic for finding opportunities and new clients. The websites can be tough to break into, and you may have to take on some projects at a lower rate. But once you have reviews that are an especially effective method for finding work and building your business. These are also good because both you and your client will be bound by the terms of the arrangement and the policies that the websites have. There are possibly also specific freelance sites in your specific niche. Rather than just targeting broader freelance sites, find some that are specific to your niche and focus on them. Regardless of the platform, you should fill out the profile completely and link to your portfolio as a method of increasing your internet presence. LinkedIn is a great networking platform that is also a wonderful way to find work. Join and connect with other people in your industry, as well as show that you are open to new opportunities and work. You can also use social media to your advantage. Have a presence on many sites that your audience will be and interact with the community. Simply having your name and your brand online will ensure that your audience can see you and find you when they are seeking out a freelancer. And finally, you should think locally. While the internet can seem like the best place to start, it is also possible that your target audience will exist locally too. Join regional Facebook groups and advertise your service at community places, such as libraries. Additionally, there are likely Facebook groups that exist with the purpose of connecting freelancers with people looking for their services, so stay active. To conclude, there is a multitude of places where you can market your freelance business. You should find the ones that will attract your desired audience and utilize them to your advantage. If your marketing is not working or begins to work less effectively, do not be afraid to change it up. Without clients, your freelance business will not succeed, so make sure that they can find it.